Alright, so I just got done driving 3,000 miles to Howlin Rays. I'm trying the Howlin right now, so they gave me freaking gloves. Everyone says this is the hottest chicken tender in all of California, so let's try the Howlin Double Plus chicken strip. No sauce, just water only, going in. Hard to chew. Got one bite down. They warned me about my stomach hurting for 48 hours. Huh. Very confused. Like they were saying 5 times harder than the extra hot. I mean, it's hot, but it's also almost 100 degrees and we're in freaking California. Man, do I want to talk smack too early about Howlin, or do I just do the whole tender? Because I don't know. Let's see. This is literally the one I signed a waiver for. All right. You want to do a second bite? Because like the taste is just bad. All right, bite 2. Probably gonna mess up my stomach because I got IBS and Crohn's. We got an 8-hour drive. Gotta get north of Sacramento. Third bite. Dang, Howlin, you're weak. This is sad. Dude, look at that oil in there. Can you see that? They're dripping out capsaicin oil. It's so dry too. By the way, water doesn't make things worse, it just doesn't make things better. That's starting to bleed out now with oil. I mean, it's spicy. I'm not saying it tastes like a jalapeno. Got the capsaicin shakes. I told them I'd probably do only one bite. I think I'm gonna be able to finish it. Dude, the oil's inside the chicken. Now that's a first. It's definitely hotter than last dab pepper egg sauce. Alright, final bite. Howlin Rays is spicy. Chicken's tender, but the seasoning, not much flavor and kind of salty.